Most of all Gen Zs wamekataa kujiamini. Because wangekuwa wamejiamini, by now they should having their own church. Wangekuwa wamepeleka Gen Z wengine theology, St. Paul's University, wasome ujenzi, by now wasome kukua pastors. I see them singing in clubs. By now they should be having a praise team. They should be having like a praise and worship team like ile ya PK pale Rwaka. You understand? So they should not be relying on people that they don't believe in. They should believe in themselves. So kusema they went to JCM, for me if I was asked, ningewauliza wangefanya service yao. They should believe in themselves and nobody should come to control them. The same way they are saying, we don't want this government. By now they should be producing to us the president that they want, who is a Gen Z. You understand?
Yes.
The governor that they want, who is a Gen Z. Have they done political science? Where are they? Where are the Gen Zs that have finished graduating in political science? So they should not criticize what they want to become. That is what I can advise them.